this video, I'm going to show you how to wire the Qolsys IQ Panel 5 using the provided power supply and barrel connector that it comes with. Only thing you're going to need is a tiny Phillips head screwdriver so that you can unscrew the little set screw in the bottom. And it's spring loaded, so you'll see, hopefully you can see this in the video, it'll get to a point and pop out. Once that pops out, you're good to just remove it by pulling this side, other side, it's hinged at the bottom, remove the cover, up and off. When you're looking on the back of the panel, you'll see here, the barrel connector is gonna go right here. So this is gonna end up going through here. You gotta make sure before you do that, that you feed it through the back. So if you're going to be using a desk mount, you want to get everything set up first. Feed the wire through so that you're going to be able to put it back. And then this guy's going to plug in right here. That's it. From there, you're going to notice on the back of this, it has a holder. You want to feed the wire, make sure you don't crimp it. Put the bottom in first and snap, snap. There's a little holder here for the wire that you can put this through. And then from there, you'll notice we have the screw. You're just gonna screw that back down. You don't have to crank it down tight, just enough. And that's it. Now we're ready to go plug this thing in and get it powered up. Once again, this is Joe with GeoArm, and this has been the wire in for power to a Qolsys IQ Panel 5. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe below. Thank you.